Okay, so we did the unboxing for the BBQ Daddy charcoal. This is the Quebracho. Really nice pieces in here. And so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna light it up and we're gonna have some food. We're gonna have some fun and I'll show you how it cooks. Okay, so we're gonna get this going. And once we get this going, we're gonna have some fun, right? I got a little fire starter in there, a little tumbleweed. That's all the flame you need. So once this gets going, we're going to show you the coals and we will go from there. We've been talking about cooking with 3 woods today, and one of the woods that we're cooking with is Quebracho. And I've used what I had, and I'm going to open up this other box. This is BBQ Daddy. You got to check these guys out. They're doing it right. They're doing wood for pizza ovens. They're doing wood for what I'm doing. I use this a lot in my Weber, but what I'm using it for today is just some indirect coals, right? Because I got the logs going in here. I need the logs. I need the hot coals, but I'm actually backfilling it with a little bit of this. So we're going to take a look at this. We're going to see what they sent me today. So packaged very well, got a nice little sticker. Oh, look at this, it comes in a nice bag. Some really nice chunks in here too. So, comes in a bag. There's 2 bags in this box. I'm gonna throw one down here. And then, take a look. We got some nice big size pieces. And this isn't even their extra large. This is just I believe I ordered their large for this one. This is what fuels every cook we stand behind. Get 15% off our go-to essentials, only at NewYorkBarbecueGuys.com. Crafted in smoke, forged in fire.